Welcome to Whisperify. Today we learn body parts. Head, head, head. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Nose, nose, nose. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Hand, hand, hand. Leg, leg, leg. Ear. Hair, hair, hair. Finger, finger, finger. Foot, foot, foot. Knee, knee, knee. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Back, back, back. Chest, chest, chest. Wrist, wrist, wrist. Neck, neck, neck. Face, face, face. Lip, lip, lip. Tongue, tongue, tongue. Tooth, tooth, tooth. Skin, skin, skin. Heart, heart, heart. Brain, brain, brain. Liver, liver, liver. Stomach, stomach, stomach. Kidney, kidney, kidney. Intestine, intestine, intestine. Bone, bone, bone. Blood, blood, blood. Vein, vein, vein. Artery, artery, artery. Nerve, nerve, nerve. Spleen, spleen, spleen. Pancreas, pancreas, pancreas. Gallbladder, gallbladder, gallbladder. Subscribe Whisperify for learn more. Thanks for watching.